the consultant on medical matters under His Royal Majesty, the Asaba Fasana.
Last week or this week now, last week, Professor Epifani has not I never had the time. I'm up to the wine. I'll never get one.
If under normal circumstances, now I'm with DBA, okay, I'm with DBA wine. But this year, I was the influx of Eze wines. I am such in our Sabbath tradition. The so-called Eze wine, the one constitute a nuisance in the community. Often, we want to look the matrimonial Martin was Eze wine. We were in cowries, one isi, happened isi where isi wa yagaba, waiting a bead, waiting in Pulego, and I got it. Will you get on? Sino Eze wine. Manina, Mabo Dibia, Omo Fana, Madame Dinator on the bell, one in it on the bell. Wounded our Lord Dibia. Offer the name one in the name, one in your only way when you say you're one they deliver, Yabo, one with traditional delivery homes. What on the one mama? In that, Emma phone up on a Emma from Kayaga this year. Watch it go waka. So now is an actual one. If we're saying that on there, they look so decent. If you got their mode of dressing, it goes on why they're responsible. So, needing one ways and wine. Why about the decimal? One of so you don't ever give wine and if you're walking. And now is so now you follow if you're not. Then another thing, Bona, I do not ever tata. Mako, only one Dr. Francis Anija, who is going to impose himself as the Igwe of Ikoto, Manayu Asaba of Asaba, which was a kind of disrespect to His Royal Majesty and all the traditional chiefs of the community. And you know, Abagon Kata, as at yesterday, now they change Oga Gata, or renounce that Igwe ship. Now they wins the Nabo, Nobodo. Ima Bologna Nam, Biana Saba, Naswan Igwe is unacceptable. But if I tell the chair, also know with one man of the Yagafaka, or but I call renounce one, Kago Seguay and but it's unfortunate not to hold up, which means that his action is deliberate. So after this meeting, you would have faced a press conference to that effect, or renounce that Igwe ship, Oku, Ojiwe, Chiyabo Igwe, or submitted to His Royal Majesty. But up till now, I know what I ran up, so I will send the report to His Royal Majesty for necessary action.
Only the poor is
Afabo Dr. Francis Anija from Anam, Obunya Saba. And on the Chibe Fair, India Saba, so which way have you going? According to investigation, Mundi Anemma, what would I have? So, I have for the people to work people to go along that yes. So I hate the opportunity because he's where I suppose I've been on every account because I'm not going on my file. But because I have is where I always make a nanya go see why I'm there. But no one of them. So now I have the unfortunate thing. So now I know by the time I report to His Royal Majesty, all they take is the necessary action.
Tobi ga-agwazi ndị ọzọ nwee obi
ife na-agwa onye ọbụla bụ onye nọ na Asaba ịbụ onye Asaba ịbụ onye Asaba inwe all the right ichi onye ọbụla igwe obi na Asaba ọ dị against the traditional law. So onye ọbụla nwe such dream ya si n'ebe o jedebe chiete. That's my advice to all everybody. Once again, I'm from the consultant on medical matters, traditional matters, on behalf of the Asama Fasana.
Thank you. My name is Dr. Dioke, chairman of Yes, because of what even the government banned, the board chairman, Aichiba Bobodo, banned what like against the wine. What like against the wine. So the board chairman banned not like against the wine in Asaba here. You know, in Delta State, not only Asaba, in Delta State. The board chairman, Aichiba Bobodo, banned as a wine in Delta State, not only in Asaba here. Not only in Asaba here. So I believe that everybody out of Asaba here, I'm a KC that I'm a wine. If I can say wine, if only so, they can say wine as so. If only but Asaba, nothing like it's wine. At the Royal Emergency, the automatic order to we all the native doctor will work and find the back native doctor. And everybody, they live like that. They make it, they register the traditional medicine board, obtain this license and go and practice in Asaba here. So I'm begging the house, all the old members of traditional doctors to go and obtain their license before practicing in Asaba here. And we don't want anybody that carry that in. They will get say that I can arrest the person. And anybody will have without the notice of the fathers or the traditional doctor must be arrested. We do not send anybody box. We will appoint our task force. They have the task force in the board. Then their session, we appoint the task force immediately effect to arrest the quacks. And this will raise the wine. But the man will give you wine. Thank you. That's why you create a task force. You got in your tax. All of them are on the but I didn't know that back at that. I was student on Jakawado. Didn't mind, didn't name it. I didn't them in. I'm all with you. Even when one day I have but I'm very grateful. I'm very complete. Because I'm not going to I'm a loss. I don't want to know I can deny. When maybe I have a medium. Good. I go down to see them. I don't have a lot. I don't come back to the question.
Mani dibia, Thank you very much. I know Dr. Papi, where's Papi? Aproko? Papi! Aproko? I know one of the members So, to the end of today's meeting of NDBJ, Delta State Traditional Medicine for Practitioners Association. I know that I will be